Hey everybody, it's Keith with BobsCNC, and I'm here again with my best friend Bob.
Hey guys, how you doing?
I'm doing real good, thank you.
Doing good too.
You were talking to them, weren't you?
Yeah, I was.
Well, anyway, we wanted to tell you we've got the Maker Faire coming up. Today is Friday. It is next Friday.
Well, it's next Saturday, but Friday we got everybody coming to the shop.
Yep.
And we're going to give away a couple of the KLs for those that are there. The nice thing is, and if you're not familiar with the KL series, it's our new series of router.
I don't think they can be familiar.
Okay.
No, we haven't really published anything too much other than the stuff that Kristen's been stirring up in social media.
Hot stir.
She is.
Yeah. So what do you want to say about the KL series?
Well, they're cool. No, they're fantastic.
Well, people know that it's a 3 foot by 3 foot,
Yep.
4 foot by 4 foot.
Yep.
They know that it's a ball screw on the Z.
Yep.
They know it's a bell Everman
Yep.
on the X and Y.
It's going to be really neat when we get folks here and they can actually see how
Yep.
cool that Bell Everman drive
That
works.
yeah, we need to do some presentations on that too. And then also on top of that, it's a servo motor driven instead of stepper motor. So it's got a quadrature encoder feedback system.
That's
So
right.
it's a closed loop system. I can't say that again. So
Well, you
I'll
did
ask.
pretty good.
Thank you. So, I mean, really the good news is we have worked really hard. Well, maybe we haven't worked really hard.
Well,
but
you have.
I've worked really hard, and Keith has put some numbers together, and we kind of know what it's going to cost, and we're going to announce that at the Maker Faire. I think we're going to have.
I think we're going to announce it Friday when everybody's here.
Oh yeah, the guys that come here will know.
Oh yeah, but you won't. I'm sorry.
Oh. So yeah,
we'll let you know.
So Friday we're
Or
going to
do that now?
we're going to publish the cost.
We could.
The cost now?
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to.
Go ahead.
I don't know if I want to.
Bob,
you want to?
Bob, you're going to have people.
It's right
looking
here.
I'm going to tell them your address. They'll come looking for
That
you.
would get that.
Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, for the KL33, we are looking at the price for the machine, the kit.
Yeah.
What about shipping?
It's included.
Included.
Yeah.
$21.67 covers everything. 3x3, all the stuff you need, shipped in the continental United States.
Yeah, it's got to be 48 states. So yeah, it includes the router. We got a vacuum attachment so that you can hook up your vacuum. It includes the power supply controller box. It's got the resume and hold, emergency stop. Yeah, it's the whole show except for the router bits.
Oh, and then also for, it's only another $349, we have a custom-made table.
Yeah, so we were talking about how do we set this on. We built some tables, and we needed something for the Maker Faire, and I'm like, well, you know what? We have a CNC router. Why don't I throw something together? And I think that's pretty cool. So we thought, well, maybe we'll sell that too. So that adds another.
He just stole my idea. He wasn't even going to do the table. I said, Bob, we have to do the table.
I go
But I didn't tell Bob we have to do the
go with the flow kind of guy.
Well,
so it's $49 for the smaller tables.
yes.
So
and it's beyond cool.
what about the 44? Are we going to share that price
yes.
too?
It's 25.
Why do you keep looking over there?
Because I got no memory.
Okay, well it's up there on the wall.
That's why I was looking. It's $25.67 for the 44, which is 48 by 48.
Yep.
All the same components, just a little bit bigger. Oh, and the table.
And the table for $399.97. Not really. $399. He would have made it 97.
No,
he likes that kind of stuff. Anyway, so we're looking forward to see the folks at the Maker Faire.
Yep.
The other thing I guess they probably want to know is, okay, you got a price, but when do we get it?
Oh,
and
well, you have to pay for it first.
Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.
Really good at the marketing stuff. We are really still working on testing, working on the manual. The manual kind of took a little pause because the engineer kept changing the design. Got to sometimes shoot the engineer, But anyway, we are really, we'll try to put that together, and then maybe in a couple of weeks we can have that information together of when our tentative dates are. And then we were also talking about like pre-order, right? Maybe to see how much interest there is, so that we know how much we need to build.
Or I could just give everybody your address and they'll come over.
I'd appreciate that if you did. But can we come to your house afterwards for beer and crackers and cheese, whatever?
Whatever. Well, Anyway, thanks for putting up with us, guys. We love you. We're looking forward to seeing those of you that are able to, not you,
Okay.
those of you that are able to come this coming Friday. And are you really hurt?
Yeah, you said you love me and then you wouldn't
Great.
even hug me.
Talk to you next time.
All right, guys, bye.